Hi everyone, my name's Jeanette, and I just want to take a minute, not too much of your time, and tell you what I did this past weekend. I did a pop-up shop. What that is, it's a little bit smaller than a craft fair, and you get to go there and have so much fun with other like-minded people who make crafts, to sell crafts, who love crafts, who just live and breathe the crafting world. So I like to use heat transfer sauce for a lot of my designs. And right behind me here, we have some sublimation blanks that I used onto this is a 5 Below sweatshirt. It's polyester, so the design came out great, except for my own personal little flaw, but still, it's a beautiful design, and it came out so good. Look at it here on a sublimation t-shirt, right? Beautiful, very vibrant, like that is extreme. Everybody loved it. I got plenty of orders. Like just this one sublimation print, this is how they come. And I put this one on a sweatshirt. And this, again, like behind me, on this little t-shirt for the summertime. And here's another one, another design on another 5 Below sweatshirt. And I know the lighter the color, the better the design, but come on, that looks really, really good. Okay, here's some other things. This is a Walmart water bottle with some vinyl, permanent adhesive vinyl from heat transfer sauce as well. Oh, the background is wonderful. I don't know if you could actually see it on there, but oh, it is, I love it. This one as well, this cup as well, has the same adhesive vinyl on there, and oh, it is just beautiful. Okay, and another one of my very best sellers, very easy to make, is these little makeup bags. Look at these. I hope you can see the wonderful design, the letter, but the colors of this metallic heat transfer vinyl is absolutely stunning. I mean, look at this. This is just amazing. And these are simple little products and easy projects for you to do and to sell at a little craft fair or at a school event for your kids, or even to give as like a teacher gift or something. You know, the limits are endless, and it's so much fun. It is so much fun. Thank you for giving me a little bit of your time, and let's have some fun.